In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your GitHub username in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to GitHub or simply unsure about where to locate your username, these straightforward steps will guide you through the process. Finding your username is essential for sharing your projects, collaborating with others, and managing your repositories effectively, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer to use. Once your browser is open, head over to your search bar and type in GitHub. Hit Enter, and you'll quickly find the official GitHub website listed at the top of your search results. Click on the link to be redirected to GitHub's homepage. If you already have a GitHub account, you'll want to log in now. Otherwise, if you're new to GitHub, take a moment to sign up for a new account. For existing users, you can find the login option usually in the top right corner, whereas new users will see a sign-up button on the homepage. Following the prompts, enter your credentials and access your account. Don't worry, it's a quick and simple process. After successfully logging in or signing up, focus your attention on the top right corner of the GitHub page. Here, you'll find your profile picture. It might be a custom image you've uploaded or the default GitHub user icon. Clicking on this profile picture will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Your Profile and give it a click. This link will take you directly to your personal profile page. Your profile page is like your own digital identity on GitHub, displaying information about your contributions and repositories. Once you've landed on your profile page, direct your attention just beneath your profile picture. Here, you will find your username prominently displayed. This username is what you'll use to interact with GitHub and share with others when you're collaborating on projects. It's also the identifier you use to manage your repositories. And there you have it. Finding your GitHub username is as easy as that. Remember, your username is an integral part of your GitHub identity, so it's important to get familiar with it. This entire process takes just minutes and will ensure you can fully engage with all the features GitHub has to offer. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!